Good morning children, Saira. Children, in previous part we had learned about 5 types of errors. The first one is error of omission, in which we forgot to record the transaction. So we have to record the transaction as a ratified entry. Now the second one is error of commission. In error of commission, we have record the entry but with wrong amount. So this type of error is known as error of commission. For example, purchase goods from Ram for rupees 500 recorded as 50 rupees. Here for 500 the amount of 500 we have recorded in the books of account as rupees 50. So this type of error is known as error of commission. Now the third error is error of duplication. Duplication means we have record the transaction double or twice. For example, sold goods to Mohan for rupees 2000 recorded twice. Okay. Now the fourth entry is error of compensation or compensatory error. In compensatory error, what we have done, we have record the entry in with the wrong amount with debit side as well as with credit side. Means we have record the both side wrong entry. So this error, this type of error is known as error of compensatory or compensatory error. We can compensate the debit and credit side. Okay, now the fifth type of error is error of principal. In error of principal, we have record the transaction like capital expenditure transaction we can record in the revenue expenditure, and revenue expenditure transaction we can record in the capital expenditure. For example, installation of machinery is recorded in repairs or in installation account. So it means here installation of machinery means we have to record the correct entry as machinery account. Okay, but we have recorded in the installation account. So this type of error is known as error of principal. So children, these are the 5 types of error, and one more error we have done, that is error in the subsidiary books. Okay. Now today we will do one-sided error that affect the trial balance. If error is only on one side, then trial balance will not equal, and if trial balance is not equal, it means it affect the trial balance. Okay. So let us start. See, in one-sided error, the first error is when posting to a account is omitted. When any transaction we have posted, we have not posted, like sales book we have not posted, purchase book we have not posted. Okay. And the second is when posting is done with wrong amount, like purchase book is posted as 40 instead of 400, sales book is posted as 50 instead of 500. Okay. So this type of error is known as, this is a posting of entry with wrong amount. Okay. The next is third one, when subsidiary book is undercast or overcast. It is same as compensatory. Like in compensatory, the both books overcast or undercast, but in this only one side is affected. So only purchase book is undercast by rupees 100, or sales book is overcast by rupees 200. Like this we will do the question also. The last is when posting is done on wrong side of account, means we have to record debit side but we have recorded credit side, and vice versa. Okay. Now the next topic is suspense account. Now children, while preparing the trial balance, if an accountant is unable to detect the difference in the total of the trial balance, then the difference is placed in the suspense account. Okay. It means if total of the debit side is short, then we have to write suspense account in debit. Okay, and if total of the credit side of the trial balance is short, then we have to write down suspense account in credit side. Let us do one question. Sales book was undercast by rupees 400. Sales book was undercast by rupees 400. It means sales book is shown less by 400. So if sales book is shown less by 400, so what we have to do? We have to add the sales book. We have to add the amount in sales book. It means we have to record the entry. So sales book, sales book is always on credit side. So post the entry on credit side to sales account 400. Now what about debit side? What we have to write down in debit side? We have posted to sales 400 because here it is one-sided error, and as we know the dual aspect concept, we have to make both sides equal. So this difference, the debit side is short, we have to fill with the suspense account. Suspense account debit 400. Okay children. Similarly, the second example, purchase book is overcast by rupees 100. Here overcast means shown more by 100 rupees. It means we have to deduct the amount. We have to do less the amount. So this 100 rupees we have to do less. We have to reduce. Now what we have to do? This 100 rupees we have to deduct. So for deduction we have to make the opposite entry. So this purchase which is in debit side, this we have to make credit side. So write to purchase account 100 on the credit side. Now what is on debit side? As I already told, debit side you have to write down suspense account because this is also one-sided error. Okay, so in this case you have to open the suspense account. So suspense account debit to purchase account. Now the next question is, cash paid to Mohan rupees 700 has been credited to his account for rupees 300. Children, this question, look at here very carefully. Cash paid to Mohan rupees 700. It means the journal entry is Mohan account debit to cash account. This is the journal entry. Cash paid to Mohan rupees 700. So Mohan account debit to cash account 700. Okay, has been credited to his account 300. It means the mistake is the accountant has credited to Mohan account and rupees 300. So here mistake is with the amount and with the wrong posted entry. So what we have to do? The first thing, this to Mohan we have to remove here. Okay, remove from here. So for removing this to Mohan, what we have to do? This Mohan you have to take debit side. Okay, so Mohan account debit you have to write down. Okay, now what you have to do? This 300 also you have to remove. So this 300 also will go to the debit side, but see in debit side here 700 is already written and you have to write down 300 more. It means now the amount is 1000. So the correct rectify entry is Mohan account debit 1000, and here in credit side there is no mistake, so you have to write down to suspense account 1000. Okay, so this question you have to do in this way. If it is not clear, then I will explain again. See, cash paid to Mohan. First make the correct entry. Cash paid to Mohan. The entry is Mohan account debit to cash and the amount is 700. This is the correct entry. But in place of this cash you have written, along with this cash you have written to Mohan 300. It means your mistake is this. This you have to remove here. Other thing, to cash is clear, to cash is correct. Now this 2 Mohan you have to remove. Now this 2 Mohan you have to take debit side. For removing the entry, what you have to do? You have to make the opposite. So if credit side is wrong, then make it in debit side. If debit side is wrong, make it in credit side. Now this 2 Mohan you have to take upside. Here Mohan is already written. Now what about this amount? Amount also you have to remove. So this 300 also you have to take with the upside Mohan. So the Mohan actual amount is 1000. So the entry is Mohan account debit to suspense account, because in credit side there is no mistake. So you have to write down to suspense account 1000. Okay. Now next is goods returned by Rakesh rupees 500 is recorded in return inward book. Return inward book means sales return book, but omitted to be posted in his account. But omitted to be posted in his account. His account means Rakesh account. Now what entry you have to make? See, goods returned by Rakesh rupees 500. So what is the correct entry? Sales return account debit to Rakesh 500. Sales return account debit to Rakesh 500. This is the correct entry. But here the omission is in his account. You have not posted this to Rakesh. So what you have to do? This is the case of omission. Very simple. You have to post this to Rakesh in the correct side. To Rakesh 500, and debit side there is no mistake. It means suspense account you have to write down. Okay children. In this way you have to make the entries you have to do the rectify entry against suspense account. Now these two questions are your homework. Rectify the following errors. Question number 9 and question number 10. These two questions you have to note down in your notebook, and after this your all topics will be covered. All topics are covered. Now what you have to do? You can solve the NCERT questions of this chapter in your fair notebook. Okay, and if any query is there, if any problem is there regarding any question, you can ask me in your WhatsApp group. Thank you children. Sai Ram.